Best fertilizer for fruit plant growth. Boost your harvest. If you want your fruit plants to grow faster, stay healthy, and give you bigger, sweeter harvests, the secret lies in the right fertilizer. In this video, I'll share the best fertilizers for fruit plant growth, when to apply them, and how to use them for maximum results. 1. Understand fruit plant needs. Fruit plants need 3 main nutrients: nitrogen, N, for healthy leaf and branch growth; phosphorus, P, for strong roots and better flowering; potassium, K, for sweeter fruits and disease resistance. Second, organic fertilizers for steady growth. Compost improves soil health and gives balanced nutrients. Well-rotted manure, excellent for overall plant strength. Vermicompost boosts root activity and soil microbes. Third, boosting flowering and fruiting. Use fertilizers rich in phosphorus and potassium before flowering season. Examples: bone meal, banana peel powder, and wood ash. These help plants set more flowers and produce tastier fruits. Fourth, liquid fertilizers for quick absorption. Liquid seaweed extract or compost tea can be sprayed on leaves for fast nutrient uptake. Perfect for plants showing slow growth or yellow leaves. Fifth, fertilizing schedule. Young plants, every 4 to 6 weeks for strong root and branch development. Mature fruiting plants, at the start of flowering, during fruit development, and lightly after harvest. Sixth pro tips. Water plants before applying fertilizer to avoid root burn. Don't over-fertilize. Too much nitrogen can cause more leaves but fewer fruits. Mulch around the base to keep soil moist and nutrients locked in. Closing. The right fertilizer can make all the difference between a weak plant and a heavy harvest. Feed your fruit plants wisely, and you'll enjoy bigger, juicier, and healthier fruits year after year.